Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Ryan Dins, and on this episode, we're going to talk about Enjin Coin. Now, Enjin Coin has taken a brutal beat down from its all-time high, which we reached back in late November, and it's just been bleeding out ever since. And I made a video in the past that was calling for it maybe to break out of this. It didn't do it. I did make a video before to break out of this. If you followed that video, you probably made a ton of money, because what I did when it broke out of this, I saw that it was breaking out of this. I sold here, rebought here, then I sold a little more here. And quite honestly, I didn't sell all of it there, and I'm holding a little bit of bag right now. Happens. But right now, what we're looking at is this has been a long time support line, and it did break it, but it's holding. Like, it is bouncing back from going under that line. So, like, if it crashed and kept going, that's one thing. I got real nervous here, but I've been buying ever. Like, this is a good dip to buy, not just for Enjin, but a lot of coins and tokens right now are highly on sale. And you got to look for the ones when this happens. You got to say to yourself, okay, what's going to be happening in a couple years right now? What's going to be around? And I believe Enjin, being that it is technically the engine for NFTs to be built, you are going to need this. This is going to be big. This is probably my biggest metaverse play. I also own some Mana, aka Decentraland, and this is just there's a lot of good reasons to buy it. It's holding here. If you look at this, higher low, 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 and then higher low. I mean, yeah, it did have higher lows here, and then it bounced from there. But if you look, this is higher than that. So it's going in the right direction, even though it slightly broke the line. But if you look at this, level of support right here, there's a level of support here. You could argue there's a level of support here, and it didn't break that. So, once it breaks 120, and if it starts going down, then it's a problem. But even then, you could say that there's a support level at $1. And then the last one, if it breaks 75, then it's like, okay, now we got no more support. But I don't see it going there. I see, as long as crypto turns around, this is going to fly. So this is a good move, because a lot of cryptos that you buy right now, when the market eventually does recover, you're going to see 100% gains. You're going to see 75% gains. But this, you are easily going to see 300% gains, because 100% would be 3, 200% would be 450, and then it could, well, not easily see 300% gains, but it's easily going to see 200% gains, because all it would have to do is go from here. And if you look at the chart, and what it's probably going to do is look up, a little bit higher high, up, a little bit higher high. And then when it recovers here, it's probably going to end somewhere like, just looking at this chart, you see that it's, the next high is up 25% from that. So if it did that, it was up another 25% from that. 650 is a safe bet to say the next high could be. And that's pretty conservative, considering it could go much higher if crypto goes bonkers. But all it has to do is follow the pattern that it's been following. I'll zoom out a little bit so you can see. And even if you look here, up, down a little bit, up, down a little bit, up. So it's done it multiple times. So NFTs are going nuts. You're going to need this for NFTs. I just think it's a good buy. I'm a bull in this. I'm buying more as we speak. I've been kind of just watching it, and if it falls to here again, I'm going to buy more. But I'm buying in this range no matter what. Every couple of weeks when I get more income, a lot of it goes into crypto, and I'm looking at Enjin. I've been buying some Solana as well, some Ethereum, some Algo, and some Mana has been like kind of what I've been buying a lot of recently. So that's where my head's at. It's not investment advice. Do what you want. But I mean, if there's somebody that you want to listen to, I called this. You can see my chart. I never remove this. This, boom. If you listen to me, you made 100% in like a couple weeks. So I'm calling it again. You could come back and say, oh, you were wrong if it doesn't happen. But if I'm wrong on this, it's because the whole crypto market tanked. If the crypto starts going well and everything starts making 50%, 100% gains, which is highly likely if Bitcoin cooperates, this is going to go to here easily, especially if it breaks this line. When you see it break this line, then you know that it's on. So it is a little bit risky, you know, it's crypto. So what are you going to do? But that's where my head's at. So I'm just making a strong case for why I'm still an Enjin bull. And that's all I got to say for this video. So peace out. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. Peace out.